This video series is brought to you by the ASU Writing Center within the Academic Support Network. Thank you for joining me as we discuss reading assignment descriptions and brainstorming strategies. This video, our first in the series, will discuss understanding the prompt. Let's get started. Before we discuss prompts, let's cover some of the basics. Prompts are the directions given by the professor. They can also be called assignment descriptions. They usually include all of the minimum requirements for the assignment, such as citation style, number of sources, page length or word count, audience, and genre. Prompts or assignment descriptions can vary in their length or specifics depending on your instructor. If the minimum requirements aren't clear, you can always reach out to your instructor and ask for help. When you write a response to a prompt or assignment description, you want to make sure you are really focusing on what matters. This starts with reading carefully. When reading a prompt or assignment description, you want to pay attention to the verbs, actions, and nouns, people, places, things, or ideas that your professor has included. Verbs can tell you the type of paper you will be writing and what you should focus on doing for your audience, like arguing, explaining, exploring, or reflecting. Nouns can tell you content directions. Is someone specific supposed to be discussed? A particular text, or a system, or an event? Let's look at an example of how different verbs can change assignment descriptions. Here we have a prompt for an assignment, broken into two parts. The top section is the same for all examples we share. I'll read it now. Humanity has been obsessed with the idea of artificial intelligence, or AI, for decades. From the 1927 German film Metropolis to the modern-day Westworld, humans have weighed the pros and cons of creating consciousness. Here in scenario 1, we see that we are being asked to argue a point. It says, in your studies from this course and your own research, argue whether or not science should continue to pursue creating artificial life. In scenario 2, we are being asked to explore the topic. It says, based on your experiences and uses of technology, explore the growing use of smart technologies, for example, Google Assistant, Siri, Nest, etc. And in scenario 3, we are being asked to explain nuances. It says, in your studies from this course and your own research, explain the nuances that need to be considered when creating artificial life. These assignments all require something very different, even though they start from the same place. These verbs indicate the type of assignment or genre you'll be writing in, which we will discuss in the next video. Let's conclude this first video with assignment description takeaways. Verbs will tell what type of assignment you are writing and what to focus on. Nouns tell you topics to include. Highlighting verbs and nouns can help you make sure you don't leave out key information when completing your assignment. If you have questions about anything we covered in this video, our online study hub is a great place to post questions and get a tutor response. If you would like to continue learning about this topic, we have a resource where you can practice breaking down an assignment description, which can be found at the bottom link. Thank you for joining us to discuss assignment descriptions, and we hope to see you in our next segment discussing types of assignments. Thank you.